If your budget is critically low, or if you just don't wanna stick a couple of white plastic chalumeaus out of your ears, this video is for you. Hello YouTube, what's up my friends, Moody's here. Today we are going to unbox together these QCY T1 Bluetooth 5 earphones. They are the best quality for price earphones you can get your hands on. Anything cheaper or below these ones are going to be probably a cheap, fake, generic earphones, so let's consider these the baseline for a good quality earphones. The price tag is between 20 and 35 US dollars, depends on which market or which country you are at. So these are the earphones on their glory. Look at this. They are very tiny and the case looks really nice. So what else do we get inside? Tiny user manual. Don't throw it away, it may come in handy. More interchangeable ear tips. You are going to pick what is suitable for your ear canal size. It's good to have them, of course. And super tiny USB cable for charging the case. Look at this, they are 37 or 38 grams. The whole case with the earphones, 4.6 grams. It is very lightweight. The weight of the case itself. It is so light, it feels like an empty plastic shell. I can't imagine that this contains a battery that can recharge those for up to 4 full times. So let's check them in details. It looks so premium. And these are clicky buttons. The mic. For gestures and shortcuts they are really basic. A single click on any of them will play and pause music, double tapping on any of them will play the next track or the previous one, and a long press on any of them will trigger Siri or Google Assistant, but make sure it is not a long enough press to turn off the earphones. So when you put them back on the case, don't worry, the magnets are very strong and they won't fall accidentally out of the case. Again, make sure that you are using the most comforting and proper ear tips for your earphones for a secure fit in your ears and to isolate as much as possible from the surrounding ambient noise. I think they didn't come charged out of the box, so I should probably recharge them for a few minutes before I pair them with my phone. So just get them out of the case for pairing. So they are paired easily and nicely in a few seconds, but make sure the first time you pair them that you get out the right earphone firstly, because it is the master or the main one, and after you pair it, when you get this out, it will automatically connect to the right one. So again, the main one is the right one. So it is the first one that you should get out when you are pairing them. So now I will try to let you hear the sound quality of them by getting them so close to the microphone of my camera, and I will play some music. The sound is really good quality and it is high enough for me, more than enough actually. I was worried that I would need to raise the volume to the maximum, but they sound really cool without the need to raise the volume to the max. A little piece of advice for you my friends: when you are looking at the charging port and flip the case this way, this earphone will be the right one, and you want to make sure you always pick up the right one because it will connect automatically to your phone and it is the master one. So if you pick up the left one, it will keep searching for the right one for continuous 20 seconds before you will be able to use it on your phone. So for a faster usage, whether you are going to use one of them or both of them, make sure you pick up the right one firstly. Look at the Bluetooth icon. When you pick up the right one, it will connect automatically. You don't have to worry about reconnecting them to your phone. It will just connect to your phone in a couple of seconds right away. And when you put it back to the case, it will disconnect as well very fast. So that was it, my friends. These are my new T1 Bluetooth 5 earphones from QCY. I highly recommend them for any of you, my friends. I'm so much satisfied from everything about it. The design, the quality, the sound quality, everything is just perfect for the price tag I paid for them. So it is the best price for value you can ever get for Bluetooth earphones. That was it, my friends. Thank you so much for watching. Give us thumbs up if you liked the video and the earphones, and for sure subscribe for more. That would be so much helpful and supporting us to create more contents like this. And don't hesitate to ask me anything on the comments down below. Until then, I will see you in the next one. Peace.